A little baby kitten was sitting sadly in the corner of the garden. He kept looking at the ground and whispered softly, "I couldn't find even a single flower." Just then, Mama Cat walked toward him with gentle steps. In a warm voice, she said, "Finding a flower is not always easy." But Mama Cat then lifted her tail and pulled out a small pink flower, placing it gently in the baby kitten's hands. Giving love is always very easy. The baby kitten's eyes sparkled with happiness.